Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is volume. We have already learned about volume. Today we will do the exercise number 15, question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2 is written as a tin can has dimensions 2 meter multiply 1.5 meter multiply 1 meter. How many liters of kerosene oil can it hold? There is a tin. Its dimensions are given 2 meter, 1.5 meter and 1. We know that in volume 3 dimensions are used: length, breadth and height. For example, this one is length, this is breadth and this is height. So this will be its volume. We have to find how many liters of kerosene oil can be hold in a tin. First of all, we will find the volume. Volume is equal to two meter multiply 1.5 meter multiply 1 meter. And we know that 2 multiply 1.5 mean to say 1.5 is 1.5, and if 1.5 is doubled, it means that will be equal to 3. 2 multiply 1.5 will be equal to 3 meter, and any number that is multiplied with 1, the answer is same. So 3 1 the 3. Totally the answer will be 3 m multiply m will be equal to meter cube. That is the total volume. But we have to find the volume in liters. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 decimeter cube or 1000 liters. So there is 3 meter cube. We want to change meter cube in liters. We will multiply with 1000. 3 multiply 1000. The answer will be in liters. So 3 multiply 1000 is equal to 3000. 3000 liters is the answer. So we can write the answer as 3000 liters of kerosene oil can be held in tin. So this was question number 2. Now we are doing question number 3. Question number 3 is written as a tank is 5 meter long, 3 meter wide and 1.5 meter high. How many cubic meters of water can it hold? The length, width and height is given. It means first of all we will find the volume of tank, as length is equal to 5 meter, width is equal to 3 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. The volume will be equal to length multiply breadth or width multiply height h. So length was 5 meter, width is 3 meter and height is 1.5 meter. 5 3 is 15 meter. M and M will be multiplied, that will be square, and that is 1.5 meter. 15 will be multiplied with 1.5. 5 5 the 25, 5 on the 5 and 2 7, 1 5 the 5, 1 1 the 1. 5, 7 and 5 is equal to 12, 1 and 1, 2. 225, the decimal point will be after one digit, mean to say 22.5 meter cube. So the capacity of tank is 22.5 meter cube. We will write answer as 22.5 meter cube of water can be held in tank. Now question number 4 is written as a block of wood is 75 centimeter multiply 50 centimeter multiply 40 centimeter. How many cubes of side 0.1 meter can be carved out of it? A block of wood has this volume and we have to find how many cubes can be carved out, mean to say how many parts will be made. First of all, we will find the volume of wood is equal to 75 centimeter multiply 50 centimeter multiply 40 centimeter. We will multiply it. $75 multiply 50. 0 5 the 0, 0 7 the 0, 5 5 the 25, 5 7 the 35 and 2 37. 0 5 7 3 3750, that will be multiplied with 40. 3750 multiply 40. 0 will be as it is. 400, 4 5 the 20, 2 will be there. 4 7 28 and 2 30. 4 3 the 12 and 3 15. 0 0 0 0 1 5. So the totally is equal to 150040 centimeter cube. That is the volume of wood, that is in centimeter cube, and the dimension of one side is 0.1 meter. We have two choices. First of all, we should change centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. To make these same units, we will make it same. How to make it? There is 15000 centimeter cube and there is 0.1 meter. We will convert it meter into centimeter. Side length of cube is 0.1 meter. We know if it is a cube, its volume will be equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Its length, breadth and height will be same. To make it same, we will change into centimeter cube. 0.1 meter, and we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will multiply it by 100. It will be changed into centimeter. 100 multiply 0.1 is equal to 10 centimeter. So side length of cube is 10 centimeter. But we want to find how many cubes of side can be carved out. We have to make this same values, that is in centimeter cube, that is a singly in centimeter. To make the value in centimeter cube, we will again multiply 10 with 10 3 times. 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. So that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume of cube, that is the volume of cube. So that was the volume of wood, that is the volume of cube. So we will find number of cubes, that will be equal to, this value will be divided by this 1500040 centimeter cube over 130 centimeter cube. So these 30 will be cancelled with this 3 centimeter cube will be cancelled with centimeter cube. So totally that is equal to 150. So the number of cube will be 150 if the volume of wood is 15000 centimeter cube and the volume of cube is 1000 centimeter cube. So that is the answer. That was our today's topic. You should practice it. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.